Okay, first we're going to go over the theory of perfect square trinomials. So that's a situation like you have here where you have a plus b times itself, and that's always going to equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So to prove this, we're going to FOIL this out. So that's okay. So FOIL first. That's a squared, and then last, which is going to be b squared, and then outer a times b. So that's going to be a times b, and then inner that's going to also be a times b. And then you put these together, and you always end up with a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So what you end up doing is, if you see any trinomial that's in this form, if you spot it, you can always just factor it in this way, to be if it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, it's always going to factor to be just a plus b squared, and you can skip the whole thing of the complicated way of factoring it. You can just skip that. So here's an example. So this one follows the same format. This is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So a in this one is actually 2. So this is 2 squared, and then 2 times ab, because 4 equals 2 times a, and then b squared. So now we notice that this is in the same a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that's going to factor to a plus b squared. So we figured out that a is 2, so it's just going to be 2, and then b is just b. So it's 2 plus b squared. Alright, now you can do this one, and I'll solve this one. And this one follows the similar pattern. We're looking for the special pattern of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So b, this is a square. This is 9 squared. So in this one, b equals 9. And this is x squared. So a is going to equal x. So all you have to do is just be like, okay, that's just a plus b squared, or 9a plus b squared, or 9 plus x squared. And if you follow that out, you'll see that this is the same.